Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage for another unboxing. And is it an unboxing? It's actually an unbagging or an unrucksacking, as you'll see in a minute. It's something a little bit different. It's come fresh from America, it's come straight from Disney, it's come straight from, which was the park? Galaxy's Edge.
Hollywood Studios.
At Hollywood Studios. It belongs to Minion 2 and he is very kindly allowing me to do a video on it. I will get him to do some driving in a bit. Before we get into the main part of the video, don't forget to do the usual things: like, comment and subscribe. So I am filming today on my GoPro because the normal camera I use for filming wouldn't have lasted, the battery wouldn't have lasted, and keeping it charged up was a bit of a pain when I am away from home, which I am at the moment. But I have got the portable studio with me. So Minion 2 has just got back from America. In fact, they landed on Friday and this is currently Sunday. Let's hopefully does that. And this was his massive gift that he used his money to buy while he was there, and it's amazing and I love it. And when I saw it, I said, wow. And he said, would you like to do a video on it? And I said, I'd love to. So here we go. The bag is an add-on, but it's so worthwhile. Are you ready? Three, two, one, reveal. It is a custom Astromech Droid, an R2 unit, and I actually watched Minion 2 build this with the team at Hollywood Studios, and yeah, it's amazing. I absolutely love it. I'm going to take it out of the bag, but it has the drop down front. Obviously it's got the industrial automation Astromech Droids for any of you Star Wars fans. Let's just go over the bag. You can see here it's got Droid Depot, it's got the front panels, and it's very reminiscent of the backpack that Yoda is in, that in the swamps of Dagobah when he's been carried around on the back. Got a water bottle bit on the side there. Right, now to reach in and pull this R2 unit out. So I'll stand up. See if I can get it out easily. There we go. Come on. There we go. There's more bits in there I'll pull out in a minute. So this is transport mode. So sideways on, you'll see has the legs straight up the bottom. Okay. Put the legs all the way back. Tilt the feet. Puts them into activation mode, tip the bottom there, and on the bottom here is the switch to turn it on. So there's all sorts of really cool little features and bits and pieces. We'll go into this little drawer here in a moment. I'm going to pull out the remote, and Minion paid for an upgrade, or rather I think Kitsune paid for the upgrade for it. But this is the remote for it, with the functions on it. And as it stands at the moment, if I press this button here,
You would put the switch on at the back.
I need to put the switch on at the back. See? I need to switch the remote on. Then that button. So these rotate the top turret. You've got left and right, or right and left, and then we've got forwards, This button is reserved for additional features not on this version, further upgrades that can potentially be done down the line. So this is the standard R2D2 voice pack. Okay. Just run through the various different voice thingies. So you can see that there's several different voices. But what Minion 2 has is this, which is an Astromech personality chip. Change the droid personality and sounds. Obviously, Droid Depot, awesome little case. Industrial automation. It's fantastic. So we take this out of this case here, which has a little drop down there. There we go. And the case, I'm being careful because it's not mine. There we go, that's it. And this is the chip. Okay, now where's the chip go? It goes in the front here, in this little drawer here, and we have a slot. Hopefully you can see that with the lighting. Let me see if I can pick that up to give you a better. Can you see the slot here? Now, does it have to go a particular way, or does it not matter?
It doesn't really matter. You can also take the door off, so it'll be easier.
Okay. I can then push that. Whoop, and drop it on the floor. That's it. Put that into there. Close that drawer, and then you'll notice the voice is very different. So this one is the Rebellion voice chip, I believe.
Yes, Rebellion.
Yeah. They also do a couple of other ones. But that was one he chose. You get to choose the body, you get to choose the legs, you get to choose the top, and to build your own to be totally yours and totally different. Do any of the other doors open on it?
Yeah, just a few of them. Like this one doesn't really show anything else.
But it looks like it's got a fitting in there to fit something onto.
Yeah. There's the same one on this side.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Yep. So they looks like it's got a plug-in for there.
Pretty
Do these?
Sure, no, those are just like put-ins that you're meant to have.
Okay.
I think there's one here. Yeah.
Oh, all right, okay. And that again has got a little point for plugging something into.
I think there's one or two at the back. I'm not entirely sure. That's where the batteries go.
So yeah, the batteries come in the back here.
Yeah.
And it takes 6 AA's. This takes 2 AA's, I think.
I don't even know yet.
We haven't changed. You haven't changed the batteries in that yet because you
No.
haven't run them out yet. So you can see on the bottom here we've got the wheels, and you see it's working on a skid steer. So one is going one way, one is going the other, which is how it's turning. It's the front ones that do all the driving. So it steers very similar to my JJRC Q137 8x8 skid steer that I believe we did a video down here, and yeah, so that's how that all works. You've got a little pivot ball in the front here for helping it spin round and keeping it nice and stable. So that's it up on the table. What we're going to do, we're going to take it out onto the back patio where it should run. It will run on carpet, but we don't want to cause it to work any harder than it absolutely has to. And we'll have a look at it out there or on another hard surface, not quite sure what yet. So I'll come back to you in a minute with that, and then we'll pull everything together for a conclusion. So we've got it out in the back garden, and Minion 2 is going to drive it around and show you what it can do.
It's not too good on there. It's not that
Try and see if it works on the AstroTurf then, shall we? No, it's got a little bit stuck. Let's try you on the AstroTurf. No, but he does work on the carpet inside, so we can. What an awesome piece of kit, and what Star Wars fan would not want one of these in their collection, especially one custom made to their own specifications with their own colours and everything on them. We'll run it round on some lino in the kitchen and you'll see some better movement. So we're in the kitchen now. It's actually quite speedy. And obviously it turns on the spot. I do love that voice shit. That's awesome. And the fact that, you know, potentially other add-ons can be added as money allows, and birthdays, Christmases, etc. Awesome. Right folks, that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you all again next time.